Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, it is a tutorial on how to do this tulip stitch. It is one of my favorite stitches to use for like blankets or scarves or shawls. So without further ado, let's get started on the tutorial on how to do the tulip stitch. All right, to make the tulip stitch, you can use whatever yarn and hook size you need, because this is just a pattern stitch. You need to make a chain that is dividable by 4 plus 1 more. So I will do about maybe 20 to 24. Do one more. So I did 25. So that's a number divided by 4 plus 1 more. And from the fourth chain from the hook, we are going to do 3 double crochets. Then we're going to skip we're going to skip 3 chains, and then we're going to do 1 single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. And we're going to repeat that until we get to the last 4 chains. So again, we're going to skip 3 chains, do 1 single crochet, chain 3, and then do 3 double crochets into that same stitch. All right, we are at the end. This is the last 4 chains. So at the end, we are going to do a single crochet, chain 3, and then we're going to turn. Then for this next row, we are going to do 3 double crochets into this single crochet here. And then into this chain 3 loop right here, we're going to do 1 single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets all into this loop. So again, into this chain 3 loop, we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. And then we're going to repeat that until we get to the last loop. And again, into this chain 3 loop, a single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and into this last chain 3 loop, we're just going to put a single crochet, chain 3, and turn. And all you do, and then that's the 1 row repeat. You just repeat the 1 row we just did until you get the length that you just want. Okay, well, you're at the end, supposedly, and you want to try to figure out a way to finish off this your project edge. I mean, I suppose you can leave it as is. There's 2 ways that I can see you finishing this off. You chain 3, normal, and turn. Just put a single crochet in the chain 3 loop. Chain 3, and just put a single crochet in the chain 3 loop, and just do that across, and then maybe do a single crochet edge around the project. Or we can use the tulip stitch as a also as a border all the way around. So then we'll do that. Now, if we were at the end, we did a single crochet in our last stitch and we chain 3. But what we're going to do now is we're going to work along the side of the project to put the tulip stitch around the edge. So what we would do now is just complete the tulip stitch in this chain 3 space and do 3 more double crochets. And in this chain 3 space on the end of the row, we just do what we normally do, a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Again, in the chain 3 on the side, space on the side, a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Okay, again, toward the bottom row, we still have our chain 3 space. Single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Now we're going around on the other side, and we have the chain 3 we had skipped on the bottom row. Move tail out of the way. So again, in the chain 3 we had skipped in our foundation row. Do the same thing. We're going to do a double single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Again, in the skipped chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, three double crochets. So you can probably use this stitch as a border for any project. So if you were like doing like a single crochet border, you would just skip 3 spaces or 3 stitches and do this tulip stitch. But again, we are working in our chain 3 loops. Or hey, you can make chain 3 loops around your border of your project and then do the tulip stitch in the chain 3 loops. Okay, hopefully don't digress and confuse you here. Okay, yeah, next chain, this chain 3 space, or this in our foundation row, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Here's our last 3 of our foundation chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Now we're working up the last side of our project. To this chain 3 space on the side, a single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. Okay, we are approaching our last. This is the second or last one. Chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and the last one, chain 3, And we are going to slip stitch into this single crochet from the previous round and finish that off. All right, and there you have it, the tulip stitch. Let me know in the comments what projects you plan on making with this stitch. And if you did like this tutorial, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.